For this example, we're going to work with Stanley Student, a fictitious student who has submitted a short writing assignment, and I'll be providing feedback to Stanley, and I'll do it using Screencast-o-matic. This is another one of those screencasting apps that's out there. The free version is decent. It does include a watermark. I'm not going to walk you through all the particulars of it, but I'll show you it in action. Okay, so I'm going to click on Start Recording for Free. Launch Free Recorder. Click on Open Screen Recorder Launcher version 2.0. And it says now recorder is launched. And so here is my window. So I'm going to go back to my tab with the assignment here and adjust it. Let's see. Max time is 15 minutes. That should be sufficient. And when I'm ready, well, I might want to like zoom in just to make the font bigger, or maybe adjust this a little lower. Bring this up. I'm going to increase the font now. Now I'm ready, so I'll go ahead and click record, which I'm going to have to lift this up a little bit more. No, let's see here. There, now you can see the record. So I'll click record here. Hey Stanley, really liked your assignment here. In fact, I could tell you gave it a lot of thought. You really considered what you want to put in here. I'm going to give you a few suggestions here. So let's look at your paper together. Okay, so let me highlight a few key things. I also just want to say really good job right here. Nicely done. You may want to remove this portion right here and this section here. Really nicely done. Okay, so if you have any other questions, let me know, because I'd be very happy to help you with that. Take care. Okay, so we're done. I'm going to click done. Let's see, save upload. I'm going to upload to Screencast-o-matic. I want to make sure that for searchable it says no, or I don't want other people to see this. This is a private comment to a student. Click publish, and now it's uploading it. It's done with the upload. I'm going to go ahead and click on copy link and click done. Now I'm going to head back to the assignment, and you see I've already practiced this before, but basically I'm going to paste the link in here. Unfortunately, it will not be a direct clickable link, so I will need to let students know that they have to copy it and then paste it in. So let's do that. Student comes in. Actually, let's go to student view. So here we go. I'm submitting it. Now I'm going to come in the role of Stanley student. Let's see. Here's Stanley. And Stanley can view the feedback. And of course, making the screen larger will help Stanley to view the feedback. Also though, I'm going to go ahead and copy the link of the feedback I provide Stanley and put it into the URL and paste it. And now I'm in the persona of Stanley here, getting this feedback. Click play. Hey Stanley, really liked your assignment here. In fact, I could tell you gave it a lot of thought. You really considered what you want to put in here. I'm going to give you a few suggestions here. So let's look at your paper together. Okay, so let me highlight a few key things. So that's what Stanley's able to view as feedback. So that makes it a lot more personable, much more like Stanley and I are talking in the office, face to face, looking at the paper together. So here's an example of the power of screencasting for grade feedback.